Hello and welcome everyone. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to decrease in your Tunisian crochet project. There are several ways how to do decrease in your Tunisian crochet project. In this tutorial I'm going to show you my preferred method. I like to decrease my stitches in my Tunisian crochet projects on my return pass when I have 3 loops left on the hook. So on your standard return pass, you would yarn over and pull through 2 and to the end of the return pass. However, I like to yarn over and pull through the last 3 stitches. Okay, I'm going to show you a few rows, so we will do the standard forward pass in Tunisian simple stitch. Right to the end, we'll do the end stitch and return pass, and again we will do decrease stitch when we have last 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of these 3 loops, and now we do another row of Tunisian simple stitch, end stitch and return pass. If you're not sure how to do Tunisian simple stitch or how to do return pass, you can pause this video, look for my tutorial on Tunisian simple stitch and return pass, and come back to this so it will make more sense to you. Okay, again we have 3 loops on our hook, so yarn over and pull through all of this. As you can see, there is a nice neat decrease along the right side or right edge of the project, and this is how I like to do my decreases in Tunisian crochet projects. There you go.